Hey guys, this is Varun, and I wanted to share my hedging strategies for the US elections, which is nearby and which is on 8th of November, I think, and it's just 4 days from now. And as we see, the gap between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump is being narrowing day by day, and if you see the graph here with Hillary 46% and Donald Trump 44% chances, it's getting really close. So I wanted to share my hedging strategies which we can adopt in the next 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, so that we may be in for a surprise on Wednesday, so that we can handle that. So as you see, I've just opened a chart for Infosys Technologies. The ID stocks have been recently battered. And when I say battered, you can just see the chart for Infosys, like from 1250 till 960, 970 levels. Like it's nearly a vertical decline, and recently the decline being more sharp from 1050 levels to 960. And the main reasons, like though the results are not good for the ID companies, we agree, and most of the ID companies showed a subdued revenue growth and guidance, but still I feel like these have been battered to an extent which may not be warranted. So I'll just have a closer look to Infosys chart. If you see, this is a 2-year chart which I have opened here, and if you see the trend line connecting the dots since 2014 till 2016 October, we see like it has a very good bottom at 962. These are the connecting dots, this dot, and the recent dot which it made. So we see 962 is a very good bottom for this stock, and this is a multi-year support. The stock closed at 971 on Friday. So this is a reflex point. When we say like reflex, it's a point of inflection. The stock may rise vertically up, maybe odd 5-6% immediately after the election, or on the contrary, if Donald Trump really wins the election, it may fall 5 to 6% or maybe more, maybe 10%. Who knows? So if this support is broken, this is a 2-year support, guys. So if I show you the chart for 5 years, let me open the chart for 5 years. This is a chart for 5 years, and this is the support we were talking about. So if this support gets broken, the next logical support comes at around 730, 740 levels. So I'm not saying it will fall $200 from here, but there is no logical support before 740 levels. So I would say this is a point where it has to decide whether it has to go up $100 or it has to come down a couple of $100. So looking at these charts, it clearly shows there is a wild movement just waiting for post-elections. So maybe next week, like when the election results are out, we may witness a very, very sharp rally up till 1020, 1030 marks minimum. It can extend to 1080 marks, or a vertical slide till 800 levels, to at least minimum 800 levels. So I would say like let's have a strategy here where we can just buy Infosys calls, buy 980 calls, 1000 rupees calls, which are trading at 20 rupees, 15 rupees respectively. So even if I buy a 980 rupees call for $20 and a 940 put for around 10 or $12, so the total premium I spent is around $30. And post elections, if there is a wild movement, see wild movement, there are two reasons for it. Like one is the chart which I already showed here. This chart is gonna support that movement, like $100 up or $100 down. So this chart is one of the reasons I'm betting Infosys on. And the second reason is Donald Trump is always opposed Indian ID companies. So like he's against the immigrants, he's against the visa, H1B visas, and he is totally against the outsourcing model in US basically. So if he's elected as a president, like it's gonna be a vertical fall for Indian IT companies. All stocks, Wipro, Infosys, TCS will fall like anything. But on the contrary, if Hillary comes to power, I won't say it is good for the economy, it's good for the world, but at least as a relief rally, these stocks will come up, and at least I'm expecting around 5 to 6% to 10% movement in all these stocks. So this was my second reason. So combining both these reasons, Infosys appears to be the safest bet for this strategy. So the strategy will be buy 980 call or 1,000 rupees call for $20 and $15 respectively. So if I buy a 980 call for $20, and if I buy a 940 put for $12, the combined premium I spend is around $32. But if Infosys rises $80 to $100 after the election results, or if it falls $100, so it gives me from 970 levels, it gives me around $80 to $90, right? And both ways, like if it falls also, it'll give me around 70 to 80 to $90. So if I subtract my premium which I paid initially $30, I'll still cash in $50 to $60. So the ratio is like 1:2. So I'm gonna double my money post election. When I'm saying double, like this is the minimum I'm expecting. So if I spend around $15,000 on this call and put strategy, I'm expecting to gain $30,000. So if I play more lots, I'm gonna get more. So this is my strategy for this upcoming election Tuesday. I hope this should help you in taking decisions, and please consult your financial advisor before you invest it. And this is my strategy. Actually, I'm implementing this. So this is just a suggestion from my side. And wish you good luck. Have a good trade. Thank you for watching this. Stay tuned. Bye bye.